welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely, lovely day. As you can see here, I've got some happy mail, and this comes from my beautiful friend Terry over at Terry01, Terry's Place. If y'all aren't familiar with Terry, I would definitely suggest that y'all go and check out her channel. She is such a true, talented craft maker. She loves to make cards, and she also, not too long ago, was selling some kits, some card making kits. I will be linking some of those videos down below so you guys can watch. And she also creates some beautiful junk journals. She recently joined in on one of our challenges from me and Cara for our Dollar Tree junk journaling swap challenge for 2022. I will be linking that video down below as well. You want to say hi?
Right here.
You're so silly. Oh my gosh. He cracks me up. That was so cute. What did you send me? All right, let's flip her over and look how cute she put all this. Milkshake, some honeybees, a cute sloth. Oh, I think these might be, well, I put this here. All right, let's have a look. Oh my gosh. What did you do? What did you do, Terry? This was in my mailbox today, and I was like, what?
It's a box.
This is a package from Terry.
Yeah.
I feel some tissue paper and a card. Let's have a look. Aww. Let's see. All right, we have this little cute baggie here with this woman kissing herself in the mirror. How cute is this? She packaged this so cute. Is it not? Okay, I don't want to ruin this washi tape, but I want to get in here so very badly. Don't open it yet.
Look.
Wait for me. Let's see. Let's have a read. I think this might be her card. Oh, she says, "Hello, beautiful, my beautiful BB. I wanted to have this gift sent out to you months ago. Thank you for your patience, my sweet goddaughter. Love you always, Terry." Oh my gosh. She's so cute. She gave me a sneak peek of this not too long ago. I think I know what it is now. But she kind of like quickly showed me and then got it off camera. You can see Paul's undone it for the most part, but she is, I consider her my fairy godmother. I don't know if you guys knew that, but I call her my fairy godmother because she's just so magical. She's so happy, and I love Terry so much. All right, let's have a look here and see what this is. She told me that she made me a recipe book, and this will come in handy because I don't know if you guys know, but I burn everything, especially I can burn water. I burn everything, so careful, Bubs. You're going at this pretty aggressively, my dude. This is quickly becoming Paul's unboxing, huh? Okay, so I see some red. Red is my favorite color, so I can already tell I'm going to love this. Oh my gosh! It says, "Welcome to my kitchen." It says BB's recipes. Oh, my sweet Terry, look at this. She handmade this cutie for me. Oh, this is so cute, Terry. Thank you. All right, let's have a look because Paul's already excited to flip through here. No, you didn't. Oh, buddy. Oh, hang on a second. He's dropped his drink. All right, you guys, I am back. The husband came home shortly after I had to clean that up. So here we are again. I'm so very sorry for all the interruptions. That's just how it is here. But anyways, back to this cutie. I see that she put some cute little printables here that she cut out, and it's got a little pocket full of recipes, and I'm so excited to see what's inside. Look how she structured this, you guys. This is handmade. So cute. All right, let's have a look at some of these recipes. She's printed out some cuteness here. Look at this recipe card, which looks like these goodies here. This is so cute. She gave me extras for whatever I'd like to use them for, I guess. That's so cute. Here We have some Winster mac and cheese. I love mac and cheese. Look at this. Doesn't that look delicious? It takes a total of 55 minutes, and it's easy for people like me that can't cook for crap. I'm excited to try out some of these recipes, and then when I do, I'll have to take pictures and send you some of those, Terry, so that you can approve my cooking through photos. We have carrot and almond couscous. Is that right? I hope I'm saying this right, because I suck at reading sometimes. And this one, let's see, it's prep time 5 minutes and 10 minutes and 5 minutes cook time. So here's another simple one. I'll definitely have to go out and buy some of these ingredients because I don't think I have all of that. Yeah, so I'll have to stock up on some of those ingredients. We have some Cape Cod, chopped salad. I love salad. Love salads. So good. I'm the only one here though that loves salads, like within the house, so I never make them, but I'll have to definitely make some of these for myself. This is a Caesar. I have some of her stuff, like Pioneer Woman. There we go. I was trying to think of her name and I couldn't think of it. Shut up. Terry, oh my god. Anytime people have made this at like parties and get-togethers and stuff, I always enjoy it, but I don't know what to call it, and I'm so glad that you gave me this. I'm excited to try that one. Thank you for that one. I love it. Enchiladas? Ooh, let's see. Skillet chicken enchiladas. I do love enchiladas, and this sounds so delicious. Also, only takes a total of 30 minutes, and it's also easy. She's so thoughtful. Lighter chicken parmesan. Ooh, so yummy sounding. Oh my gosh. That's gonna be so good. Spicy. I love spicy food. Don't tease me. Lasagna. I barely started making lasagna this year. I kid y'all not. And it came out so good the first time. So I'm glad that I can have some recipes to change this up. And lemon garlic chicken and potatoes. Oh, I love lemon chicken. The other thing I want to learn how to make is barbecue chicken. That's gonna be so good. I love it. Are y'all getting hungry? I am. Grilled salmon with key lime butter. Oh my gosh. I have made salmon and I don't like the way I've made it. I've tried it like 2 different ways and it just hasn't happened for me. So maybe with this one, this will be better. So I'm hoping that this recipe does it justice for all my cooking. All right, moving on to the next stuff. She added some cute little goodies here. They're stickers and they're all baking related. And that's, look at this cookie tin or cupcake tin. Isn't that precious? And the mixer. That is so cute. Thank you. And then here we have aprons, which I love aprons. I can't, like I said, I can't cook, but I love to wear them. Cara got me one not too long ago. I need to show y'all. Hang on. It's a little dirty, but it's because I use it a lot. I use my olive oil, and she gave my husband one with Popeye on it. So it's so cute, and it's one of my favorite ones to cook with. As y'all can tell, I need to wash it, but I have been trying to experiment, so I hope y'all are proud of me for trying. Here we have some eggs and some flour, and look how cute this is. These are like piping bags and these oven mitts. Look at the measuring cup. Oh my god, these are so cute, Terry. The whisk. That's precious. Where did you get these? Oh, look at this. Oh, you guys, y'all can't tell me that this isn't cute. This is so precious. Look at these precious little oven mitts. And then the last stickers we have are these little measuring spoons. And then we have some ingredients in here. This reminds me of like Sleeping Beauty when Look, that's the closest that I can compare it to are the three fairies, you know, from Sleeping Beauty, and they're trying to create like a birthday cake for her, and they're trying to like also create like a birthday dress for her, and she's trying to read the instructions on how to bake the cake, and it says fold in 2 eggs or 3 eggs or something. So she's like 1, 2, 3, and then folds them in, and that's me exactly to the T. Like that's just how I am. I can't help it, but I'm trying to learn. Oh, look, doesn't she look like me? She looks like me. It says happiness is homemade. Look how cute these are. And she's categorized them. Stop. Oh, Terry. She put breads, semi-homemade appetizers, and sweets. That is so cute. I love the paper she used here. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Another little recipe card here with a fun little pocket. I love pockets. Oh my gosh. This little shopping bag, the cute little oven. And I can put my recipes in here. How cute. I don't have a recipe book, so this is absolutely perfect. I'm gonna show you guys what I've been working with. So I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I put my little recipes here that I DIY'd. You can kind of see it. I honestly even think that I missed putting one of the letters in. I have no idea, but I tried. I was like, I can have like a little starter kit for myself, but this is what I've been using, so this is perfect. This is like my first recipe book. I'm so very excited to use it. Measuring equivalents, and it breaks it down for you, which is absolutely perfect because I've done that where I have to stop what I'm doing, get my phone, and Google it. Creamy dill cucumber toasties. I love cucumbers. How do you know me? Look, how cute. And then another little recipe card. Isn't that cute? Sorry I keep knocking y'all, but look, she's even embellished the corners for me. And it's thick. I love when they're chunky. It's perfect. Recipe. We have the flowers, the sugar, and the tea. Look how cute this is. And this is the semi-homemade section now. She wrote a recipe for me. Cabbage ramen salad. Ooh, I love cabbage. And ramen even better. Oh, that's gonna be so good. Our flour and sugar here. And she's put stickers throughout. Some more recipe cards. Look at this. Another one. She shared so much with me. Oh my gosh. Look at this. A little timer. Did y'all see how cute that timer was? The heart of our home. Look at that. I've actually been feeling so super proud too when like my husband or Hasiel or Paul, they'll ask for a particular dish. Because it makes me feel proud that they are asking for it again, because I'm like, yes, I nailed it. Pies and pastries, hometown cooking. Look at these printables. They're so cute. And now we're at the appetizers. Look how she tied this in. I think it's funny because she's mentioned in the past before that when it's knotted on the inside of a junk journal and the strings are out, she's like, I don't like that. And I made her a journal once and I was like, oh my God, I'm so sorry I did that. And I was not doing that intentionally. I completely had forgotten. This is for appetizers. Look at the happy oven mitt. It's so cute. And then here, it's a pot holder. I used to crochet pot holders insanely for my mom. And she showed me some of the ones that I had created when I was in high school. And I was like, oh my God, I was actually really good. I don't crochet anymore because I think I have ADHD and I get distracted too easily, and I'll be like, did I already count 12? What number am I on? I will forget what number I'm on, like constantly, so I start over. Look at this. I love all the colors she picked. It's so fun. I can't wait to start using that. Look at this pop-up sticker with the kettle and the flowers coming out. And she did it in red, my favorite. And here's some yellow. I love yellow as well. It's a happy color, and I think that's why I like it. And then this says main dish. Look how cute. Look at the eggs. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at that little pot. It looks like stew. Oh, all of this is just making me so hungry. I haven't ate. That's precious. Look at the houses. These papers are so cute. Another little puffy sticker there. Pop-up sticker. I probably said that wrong. Now we're fixing to get into the salads. We got a little porch swing. I want one so very badly, but where I live in this neighborhood, I just don't trust right now that I can get one. Maybe in the future. I have a wacko neighbor. Cara and Terry know all about it. Look at that. The eating utensils, so cute. Oh, I love this paper. Oh my gosh. We've got recipes. This says apple, milk, eggs. How cute. The little mixer. Isn't that precious? Terry, thank you. She's so sweet. My heart. Look at these cookies. Oh my goodness. This means so much to me, dear. Thank you. Hang on. Just like flipping through this, like it just shows the happiness that she was feeling when she did this. Like the colors are so bright and so pretty. Like I can picture how much thought and love went into her making this for me. So special. From the kitchen of, and then I could put my name there. So cute. Thank you for thinking of me. I'm so touched. We have veggies. I love veggies. I'm a veggie girl. Honestly, I think if I didn't eat meat, I think I could live off of veggies and still be happy. I love veggies. That was my son Jaziel. He was showing me a rock that he found similar to his birthstone. And we were talking about them. He didn't know that each month has a birthstone. This one's miscellaneous. Ooh, look at this paper. I love anything with script. That's really pretty. Terry, I love you. Thank you so much. Y'all see what I mean by magical? She really is. Look at this. Lots of places for me to write on and share my recipes, and I could even pass this on. Give me a second. I happened to find some little sticky notepads. I'll set these aside, Terry, because I think this might have been for you. I'll get into contact with you about those ones, seeing if I can get those back to you. And this is the back, you guys. Wasn't that beautiful? That was so sweet and thoughtful, Terry. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to start using my beautiful book, and it even matches my kitchen. Everything is red for the most part in my kitchen, so this is perfect. So cute, and I can't wait to use it. I love you, Terry. I'm sending you lots of hugs and kisses, and I hope to talk to you very, very soon. If y'all have not already checked out Terry's channel, please don't forget to head on over there and sub. She will give you such a warm welcome. She's so loving and caring and such a sweet and kind-hearted person. Y'all really need to sub to her channel, okay? For me. All right, you guys. I hope y'all take care. Thank you so much for having come along with me for this beautiful recipe handmade book that she made for me. I appreciate you guys so very much. And I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye, guys.